This video is not sponsored by any company. All the products discussed in the video are ranked according to their price and specifications. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Cell Mafia. As you have seen from the title of the video, today we are going to talk about the top 5 best mirrorless cameras in the market in 2020. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you receive a notification each time we upload a video. So, without wasting any further time, let's jump into the video. The camera on 5th place of this list is Fujifilm XT3. The XT3 does not have a full-frame image sensor. Many professionals stick exclusively to full-frame, and rightfully so, but the Fujifilm XT3 is a powerhouse camera in its own right that should make even the most discerning photographers happy. The XT3 was released at the end of 2018, so what changed on this camera? The simple answer is that just about everything improved. Fujifilm bumped up the megapixel count to 26.1, made major improvements to the autofocus system across the board, and added touch sensitivity to the rear LCD. We love the touch focus feature in particular. You also get a faster burst rate at 11 frames per second, a new processor that helps everything function quickly and smoothly, and video features that now are more competitive with the field. The two biggest downsides of the XT3 are the lack of in-body image stabilization and the relatively short battery life, but those are small hurdles to overcome for an otherwise outstanding mirrorless camera. Product link given in description. The camera on number 4 of this list is Panasonic Lumix GH5. Among its mirrorless peers, Panasonic has had a leg up in the video department for years, and the GH5 is one of their flagship cameras for this purpose. It boasts 4K video speeds that can rival any pro DSLR, a highly advanced autofocus system, built-in image stabilization, and a tough weather-sealed body that can handle long shoots in a variety of conditions. You also get 10-bit recording, a full HDMI socket, and a host of advanced functionality options. This substantial feature set makes the GH5 a leading choice among professional video shooters looking for a compact setup. Keep in mind that even though the Panasonic Lumix GH5 is ranked here due to its standout video prowess, it's not necessarily the best all-rounder. Those who want a mirrorless camera strictly for video will appreciate the features and functionality of the GH5. Product link given in description. The camera at 3rd place on this list is the Panasonic GX85. The Panasonic GX85 kit is one of the best values we've seen. For just under $500, you get a compact mirrorless camera from a leading brand that features 4K video, in-body image stabilization, shooting speeds of up to 10 FPS, and built-in Wi-Fi. Perhaps most impressively, the GX85 kit includes 2 lenses. A 12-32mm and 45-150mm, giving you a nice range of focal length coverage from wide angle to telephoto. We especially like the low-profile size of the 12-32mm, which weighs just 2.5 ounces and is a great walk-around lens for travel and everyday use. The thing which we don't like about GX85 is that it has a few megapixels less than the Sony A7R below. And what we like is a tremendous value for a mirrorless camera with 2 lenses. Product link given in description. The camera on number 2 of our list is Nikon Z6. This camera checks almost all of the boxes. It boasts a full-frame image sensor, in-body image stabilization, fast continuous shooting at 12 frames per second, a wide range of video speeds, and a tough weather-sealed body that is built to Nikon's lofty standards. Plus, with a relatively small form factor and weight of 20.6 ounces, you get much better portability than full-frame DSLRs like the Nikon D750, which is 26.5 ounces, and hefty D850, which is 32.3 ounces. Where does the Nikon Z6 fall short? The autofocus is solid overall, but lags behind the competition in certain aspects, and subject tracking and refocusing in particular. And in choosing between Nikon and Sony mirrorless, lens selection made the difference for us. The available Z-mount lenses in 2020 are good but not great, and Sony is far ahead in this regard. But the thing that makes Nikon Z6 a good option is its price. Product link given in description. The camera on top of the list and the best overall mirrorless camera is Sony A7R IV. This sleek mirrorless camera features an extremely impressive 61 megapixels, which far surpasses the A7R III, which is 42.4 megapixels, and Panasonic S1R, which is 47.3 megapixels. So, now it's the highest resolution mirrorless camera in the market. Sony also improved the autofocus significantly, which wasn't a shortcoming with the older model, but makes the Alpha 7R IV more attractive for action and video. Add an easy-to-use functionality, a wide array of video speeds, and premium build quality including weather sealing, and this is a superb camera that should make even the most discerning photographers happy. The major drawback of this camera is its price. But still, for the pixel peepers, serious landscape photographers, and those with a good amount of money in their pockets, the A7R IV is the new king of the hill. The purchase links of all the products discussed in the video are given in description. Some of them have great discounts on them. Check the links in description to purchase any of them. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification each time we upload a video. Till next time, goodbye.